a world dominated by Silicon Valley, most people don't think of Africa or Nigeria when they hear the word tech giant. But one man changed that. Born in a small town in Imo State, trained in the bustling cities of India and the UK, and driven by a vision to make Africa a global digital powerhouse, he built what is today Africa's largest indigenous tech group, empowering thousands, disrupting markets, and taking Nigeria digital long before the rest of the continent caught on. Today on Eboing People TV, we proudly introduce you to Dr. Leonard Stanley Nnamdi Ekeh, the Igbo billionaire behind Xenox and Konga.com, a man whose story is as inspiring as it is transformational. Dr. Leo Stan Ekeh was born on February 22, 1956 in a small community in Mbitolu local government area of Imo State, Nigeria. He was one of 6 children, 3 boys and 3 girls, born to a middle-class family. His mother was a dietitian and his father a nurse. Growing up, Leo wasn't born into wealth, but he was raised with something just as powerful: discipline, purpose, and an early desire to make a mark. As a young boy, his dream was to own the biggest transport company in Nigeria, but life had other bigger plans. Leo attended Holy Ghost College in Owerri for his secondary education, but it was India, not Nigeria or the West, that shaped his mindset in a way no one could have imagined. He studied economics at Punjab University and later earned a master's degree in risk management from the University of Nottingham in the UK. Looking back, he once said, Studying in India was a great turning point in my life because I found the economy of India a realistic economy. It was in India that he saw the power of local innovation, low-cost technology, and entrepreneurial resilience, lessons that would one day drive his vision for Nigeria's tech future. In 2001, at a time when most Nigerians barely had personal computers and tech was still something you only heard about on CNN, Leo Stan Ekeh founded Zinox Technologies Limited. From day one, he wasn't interested in mediocrity. He didn't want to just make computers. He wanted to set the highest international standards, and he did.
The educational sector, you can disrupt. Okay? Even in the local sector, the financial sector, the capacity the banks have is very difficult to disrupt. But you can add value and the value out. So that's what a lot of us are doing. So I really want to appreciate you, and I want to appreciate Access Bank for putting this together. But I want to tell those of you that what we achieved in 25 years, a lot of people achieved in 6 months. But an entrepreneur whoever wants to be an entrepreneur, no matter your age, the young man who won the best jump result, 15? You have to have your inner mind that you are mature. Because you are meeting people who are.
Xenox became the first Nigerian computer company to receive the WHQL Windows Hardware Quality Labs certification from Microsoft. Within 5 years, Xenox achieved NIS ISO 2009001 QMS certification, another first in sub-Saharan Africa. He puts Nigeria and Igbo land on the global tech map. While others imported tech, he was manufacturing it locally. In 2013, Xenox announced the release of its first assembled tablet line, ZPad. But that was only the beginning. In 2018, Stan Ekeh pulled one of the boldest moves in Nigeria e-commerce history. His company, Xenox Group, acquired Konga.com, one of the country's largest online shopping platforms, buying 99% of its shares. With that acquisition, he controlled not only hardware, but also software plus retail. Today, Konga is one of the few Nigerian e-commerce firms with a solid logistics, payment and fulfillment infrastructure. Unlike many startups, Konga is not just surviving, it's thriving. Dr. Ekeh once said, "If you don't own your own technology, you will always remain a digital slave." And so, he did not just buy into tech, he built an ecosystem. What started as a single tech company has now grown into a group of companies and subsidiaries, impacting all corners of the African digital economy.
May we invite Ekeh of Konga.
But let me say thank you to everybody for being here. Thank you, Mr. Unduka, for this privilege. And we have a lot of great people in this room. And I just pray we continue to provide the opportunity to young people to join you in your greatness. Thank you very much.
This is for the CEO of the year, jointly won by this very great gentlemen.
One for public sector, one for private sector.
CEOs. Congratulations to both of you. Congratulations.
It's a privilege to stand on the same platform with my son. So digital father, digital son.
Technology Distributions Africa has trained more certified tech professionals than any other organization in sub-Saharan Africa. That's right, they are not just selling tech, they are building Africa's tech talent. While most billionaires talk about giving back, Stan Ekeh puts his money where his mouth is. His most recent goal? Well, he has empowered 10,000 women in tech over the next 5 years. And this includes training, mentorship, job placement, access to tools and funding. He believes women must play equal roles in the digital economy if Africa is to thrive. Through Xenox and TD Africa, the group is also funding tech education in underserved areas, supporting tech startups, creating a sustainable tech workforce pipeline in Nigeria and beyond. This isn't just philanthropy, it's nation building. So, what sets him apart from other billionaires? Vision, standards, nationhood, quiet power. Because you don't see him making noise on social media, his results speak louder. He's not just an Igbo billionaire, he's a continental thought leader, a tech pioneer, and one of the few who are building Africa's future from within. Now that you've met him, what do you think about Dr. Stan Ekeh's impact? Can Africa produce more billionaires like him who invest at home, train our people, and build systems that last? This is Eboin People TV, and today we've shown you the man behind Africa's biggest indigenous tech empire. So, don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe.
Ekeh is founder and chairman of the Xenox Group, a technology company in West Africa. Among his many tech ventures, Ekeh builds computers for a country he wants to push forward.
We came with a computer with a surge protector because of the power challenge in this country. We have 14 offices nationwide, so we're closest to the people. Zinox has sold in every local government, every town in this country.